Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring the phone won't shut down mid-change. Plug it in if needed. Long press an empty area on your Realme C11 home screen to open the launcher menu, then choose Home Settings or Widgets depending on your skin version. You're doing this because the search bar is a launcher element, not a system app. Once the menu appears, look specifically for the Google search bar entry or a toggle labeled search bar. This is the first actionable place to remove it. Now remove the widget directly by long pressing the Google search bar and dragging it to remove or the trash icon. This eliminates the bar instantly. If your launcher uses a toggle, open Home Settings and switch off the search bar or Google Feed toggle. Make sure to confirm any prompt. If the bar remains locked by the launcher, install and set a different launcher like Nova or Launchair. Then repeat removal in that new launcher. This works because finish by rebooting your Realme C11 so the launcher accepts the change permanently. Once done, check several home screens to confirm the bar is gone. If the search bar returns, go to Settings Apps Launcher Storage and Clear Cache, then clear data only if you can reconfigure your layout. Make sure to try an alternative launcher before drastic steps. If nothing works, back up your data and consider a factory reset, but use that only as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.